Welcome to Explaining the YouTube channel where we got tech power. So today we'll be unboxing the CSL-M20 lavalier microphone, which comes with an earphone from JBL's premium mic lineup. This is the same microphone I'm using right now. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video. So this is the box that we get from JBL, and if we have a look at its back, we simply get its specifications and its features. If you want to read all of them, you can simply pause the video and do it. If you have a look at the MRP, it's 2000, but you can easily get it from Amazon under ₹1000. So now simply we'll go ahead and unbox this product. First thing that we get inside the box is this pouch. So I'll simply open this pouch. So all our accessories, which includes our mic, are right in it. We also get this silica gel which prevents your mic from moisture until unless you don't unbox it. And we also get these extra pair of accessories with it. And this right here is our mic. You also get a 2-meter cable with it so that you don't face any problem while doing your work with the mic, because this cable can cover a huge amount of area. Also get an earphone with it so that you can use it while your Zoom calls or etc., or for any other sorts of purposes that you wish to use it for. Now if we talk about what else we get in the box, we have this user guide. This guide simply contains different sorts of informations that you need to know for using your mic more conveniently, but I've covered all of them in my video, so make sure you watch the video till end. This soft surface on top of your mic simply helps in noise cancellation. If suppose you're heavily breathing, it won't really record that voice, and which helps in a smoother voice recording. There is nothing much about the build quality, it's simply that it's made up of entirely plastic and we have this wire. Other than that, we also get these extra pair of accessories with it. Also get this extra pair of jack which you can simply use while you're recording your audio either in your camera or your PC itself, but if you're recording your audio from your laptop or your mobile phones, then you don't really need it. We also get a extra soft puff and also a clip in case you misplace it or anything else happens to it. Simply connect this audio jack in this way if you wish to use it in your camera or your PC. We'll be doing an audio quality comparison. You'll listen to two types of sounds. In one of them I have plugged in my microphone in my mobile phone, and in the other one I haven't. And also there are songs being played behind me. This is done so that you can get an idea of the noise cancellation feature which it offers you. This is the sound quality you get when you have plugged in your microphone in your mobile phone. This is the audio quality you will get without using your JBL lavalier microphone. So if you wish to listen to this comparison for a longer period of time, you will simply get a pop-up above. You can simply go ahead and check out that video. I haven't used my microphone in that entire video, but in the video you are currently watching, I have used my microphone. So you can simply get a comparison from both of these videos. Bottom line here simply being that it is a product worth buying, considering that it improves your audio quality till an extent and helps you in noise cancellation. But there is one problem that I would like to tell you. It's simply being that the earphone that we get with it is not as comfortable as other earphones that JBL provides us with. Other than that, it is definitely a product worth buying. If you wish to buy the product, you'll simply get the link in the description. You can go and check it out on Amazon. So if you found the video informative, make sure you drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more such technology related content. On that note, see you.